Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we're going to talk about the explanation of the maximum limit width dimension of the EPS mold. First of all, the guide sleeve design of the EPS shape molding machine in different factories will be slightly different, and some factories' EPS shape molding machine guide pillars even have no guide sleeves. If you need to know the maximum limit EPS mold width that an EPS shape molding machine can accommodate, we need to measure the size of the guide sleeve. From the video, we can see the distance from edge to edge of the guide pillar is 1900 mm. The distance of the guide sleeve is 25 mm. The distance from edge to edge of the guide sleeve is 1850 mm. In order to understand better, we made the following diagram. The calculation formula for the maximum EPS mold size is as follows. 1900, 25 to 25, 1800 are 20 mm. In general, for the convenience of EPS mold installation, the maximum mold size is 5 to 10 mm smaller than the actual measurement size, without affecting the production of EPS foam products. So for the above case, the maximum limit width of the EPS mold is 1,140. In addition, some products in pursuit of the maximum width sometimes even cut off part of the guide sleeve to get more space. Therefore, if there is a situation of cutting off the chamfer, the size of the cut chamfer also needs to be provided. In general, for the convenience of EPS mold installation, the maximum mold size should be smaller than the measured size, so as to facilitate the installation of the EPS mold. See the photo below. You can see that the maximum mold width is even 60 mm smaller than the distance between the guide sleeves. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.